Hello, welcome to Art Scout. I'm Uni. Today, we are going to make Puffy Sidewalk paint. And also, we are going to write thank you messages on sidewalk for our community workers with it. Let's get started. You need a cup of flour and water, a half cup of shaving cream, food coloring, freezer bags, a spoon, and plastic squirt bottles. You need scissors, a pencil, and piece of paper to practice also. Pour 1 cup of flour and 1 cup water into a freezer bag and mix them well with a spoon. Please make sure that there are no clumps. Add 10 drops of food coloring and half cup of shaving cream. Close the freezer bag and mix well. You can use a spoon to mix them well, or you can use your hands on the outside of the bag to mix it. Cut the end of the bag with scissors and pipe the mixture into a squirt bottle. I will make 3 colors like this. You can make 1 or 2 colors or 3 colors or even more if you want. Please practice what you want to write or draw on a sidewalk for our community workers with a pencil on a piece of paper. Now, bring your squirt bottles with the paint mixture outside. Squeeze it onto the sidewalk to write and create your message. This is a thank you note for our postal workers. What are you going to write or draw for our community workers? I hope our work makes them happy and smile. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.